Hi guys, welcome to Tech Factory. Today we are going to see how to read a deleted WhatsApp message. It's very simple. First of all, I am going to send a message. Yeah, hi. I'm going to send a message. Hi. Yeah. Then I am going to delete the message. Delete for everyone. The message was deleted. While seeing the message, you may see this message was deleted. How to read the deleted WhatsApp message? Yeah. First of all, enter into Google Play Store and download the app called NoticeSave. I already downloaded the NoticeSave app in my mobile. Yeah, go to Play Store and type NoticeSave. NotiSave. NoticeSave app in your mobile. Yeah, this is the app. You need to install it. After the installation, now I am going to, I installed the NoticeSave app. You may see here in my mobile. Now I am going to send a message. Yeah, whatever the message may be, I am going to send a message. Yeah, it was sent. Now I am going to delete the message. I am going to delete for everyone. I was deleted the message. In the WhatsApp, you may see this message was deleted. But by using the NoticeSave app, you can view the message what he deleted. Enter into NoticeSave. Yeah, you may see DHOU, the message I recently sent this. Yeah, message is recently sent is DHOUSS, the order the message, and this message was deleted. Yeah, this is the message is deleted by this mobile. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe Tech Factory. Thank you.